Hello guys, it's Mokobe here. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit your WordPress menu. Let's get into the video. So, as you can see, this is actually our WordPress menu here for this theme. So, the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log into your WordPress dashboard. So, once you're there, you simply scroll down and you click on what? Appearance. After which you click on menu. So guys, once you get here, you can actually choose the menu in which you want to edit. As you can see, these are the various menus that are available on my WordPress website. The category menu, the category second menu, and the main menu, and the second menu, and the menu one, the quick link and service. So we want to edit our main menu, the one you're seeing here, this one here. So we'll come back here and let's say we want to remove all these sub pages. We'll click on it, we'll remove it, come back down here, we'll remove it. So guys, you can actually remove the pages that you don't want to see on your main menu. So continue removing. So after removing the various pages you don't want to see on your main menu, you can simply add some pages if you wish to add. So let's say we want to add a post on this our main menu. Let's choose a post, click on add to menu. So you can simply rename it if you wish. Let's say how to. Okay. After that, and you can simply edit the various pages. As you can see, let's say contact us, you can add it. So after that, you simply need to click on what's update. That's save. We'll go back to our WordPress website and refresh it. So guys, as you can see, we are just editing that menu. As you can see, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in the next video. Peace out.